So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download VS Code in Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now here type VS Code download. Now click on this first link. Now click on this Windows button. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. Now as you can see here, VS Code is being downloaded. Now wait until the setup is downloaded. And now the setup is downloaded. Click on it to run it. Now this will open the setup wizard. Click on I accept. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on install. And this will start installing VS Code on a Windows PC. Now wait until the process is completed. And now the VS Code is installed. Click on finish. And now VS Code is installed and you can use it. So this I can download and install VS Code in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.